To change your username on Snapchat, open the app and ensure you're on the main camera screen. In the top left corner, tap your profile icon to access your account page. Next, tap on My Account, then locate the gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it to open your settings. Scroll down in the settings menu until you find the username option and tap on it. You'll see a change username button. Go ahead and select that. It is typically blue in color. Snapchat will notify you that usernames can only be changed once per year. If you're ready to proceed, tap Continue. Now, you can type in your new username. Snapchat will automatically check if your desired username is available. If it's already taken, you'll need to try another one. Once you've entered an available username, tap Next to confirm. Snapchat may prompt you to verify the change, so just follow any final instructions. After completing these steps, your username will be updated. Keep in mind that this new username will be visible to your friends and you won't be able to change it again for a year.